Hello everyone, welcome to day 51 of my 77-day video challenge. The topic we are going to talk today is I heard about this in one of the spiritual disclosures I was hearing the other day. When I heard about it, I felt really interesting and I really loved all about it. So I thought I'll share with you all today in this particular video. So let me share what it is all about. It is how to achieve peace of mind or how to acquire that peace in our daily life. So they talk about four things. So the first one is all about always try to have less rather than more. Always try to have less rather than more. So meaning it is kind of becoming a minimalist or not getting busy in our day-to-day life with huge number of to-do tasks and acquiring many number of things or doing multiple many things. Means just getting slow and then getting rid of that huge number of things. I mean, it's not saying like don't work hard, don't try to achieve things, don't be ambitious or nothing of that sort, but being content with the things what are important to our life. Instead of running behind huge number of things, reducing it to a less number of things. So trying to have less rather than more. That is the first thing. And then second thing is seek to be last rather than first. I know this really, when I heard also, I thought like, what? I don't want to be last. I always want to be first or achieving things and everything again. But what they mean is the things which are important to us, like for example, God's realization or listening to our faith, following our faith, whatever it is, the most important thing to us, in that we have to work hard, we have to try our best to be whatever the best of ourselves, but not in everything, like supporting others, like seeing their journey also, helping others, empowering others, and then helping others in their journey, leading them to wherever they need to be there as well. So that's why always seek to be last rather than first in other things, not comparing ourselves with everybody else and getting tensed and all that stuff. Whatever is important to us, in that we need to be first, but not in everything. So seek to be last rather than first. And then this third one, this is much more difficult. It is seek to do the will of another rather than your own. Seek to do the will of another rather than your own. So if we can practice this, I think 50% of our conflicts, misunderstandings, everything will get resolved, right? So sometimes because we say like it's my way or no way at all in our internal relationships with family, friends, and sometimes like that. So that's why it's so important to have that harmony or to have that peace of mind in our day-to-day life. We need to cultivate that habit of performing or doing the things of the will of another rather than our own. Like having that compassion, having that empathy, understanding others, thinking from their perspective. These are all the things we need to cultivate in order to have that peace of mind. And the last one is very important, that is learn to accept the will of God in all the things, meaning accepting the reality or accepting the situation as is instead of expecting it how we want it to be, because things happen, good and bad, everything happens in our life. We don't want to fight against them, we don't want to try to understand why things are going in what way and all that. So we need to work hard, we need to do our own things, but we need to get in terms with the reality as well, accepting the moment as it is instead of expecting it to be something else. So that is what the four things are all about to have a good peace of mind. So first one is always trying to have less rather than more. And then second one is seek to be last instead of first in most of the things. And third one is seek to do the will of another rather than your own. And then fourth one is all about accepting the reality, like the will of God, whatever is in that particular situation, accepting the circumstances as is instead of expecting them how we want to be. I really loved it. I thought I'll just mark them in a postcard or something and keep it with me just to remember it for quite some time until it becomes a habit in my own self as well. So I really loved it, and I thought, I hope you also enjoyed those four things, whatever to achieve peace of mind, and you will follow some of those in your life as well. So I hope you enjoyed this in this video. I'll see you all in my next. Thank you.